To get a better skin tone by adjusting tone in Face Effect on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required portrait photo you want to enhance. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Next, tap face effect. Tap tone icon. Here you can use the slider to modify the skin tone. You can increase the tone to make the skin brighter and lighter, or you can lower the tone to give the skin a warmer or deeper appearance. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As note, the face effects tone adjustment allows you to refine your skin tone for a natural or polished look. Whether you prefer a brighter or warmer tone, this feature helps enhance your photos while keeping them realistic. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.